Invitrogen Qubit fluorometric quantitation comprises the easy-to-use Qubit 4 fluorometer and sensitive, specific Qubit quantitation assays. Based on the detection of target-specific fluorescence, this integrated system is more sensitive than UV absorbance-based quantitation of DNA, RNA, and protein, making it ideal for precious samples and demanding applications. The Qubit 4 fluorometer is simple and easy to use. It's designed so that you can quantitate or qualify your sample right out of the box. From the home screen, you will select the type of sample you wish to measure. Here, we show how to run the Rna Integrity and Quality, or Rna Iq assay. The first time you run an assay, you will only see Read Standards. The instrument will save the standards with the time and date stamp. For subsequent assays, you can choose whether to use the saved standards or run a new standard calibration. You will then follow the on-screen prompt to enter Standard 1, followed by Standard 2. Then, finally, Standard 3. It takes about 5 seconds per read. If any standard is entered in the incorrect order or RNA degradation is suspected in the standard, the instrument will guide you to the correct resolution. When the calibration is complete, you can run your samples. After pressing the Run Sample button, a screen will appear that will ask for the amount from your original sample that you added to the assay. This will be between 1 and 20 microliters. You can use the scroll wheel or the plus-minus buttons to enter this value. Now you are ready to read your sample. The instrument will calculate the amount of viable RNA in the original sample tube. No further calculations are required. The Rna Iq Score is prominently displayed. This value is calculated from the % large and/or structured RNA and % small RNA detected in the sample. The coloring of the circle around the Rna Iq value corresponds to the % large and small RNA. You can run additional samples. All of your data are automatically saved in sequential order. You can change the order of the samples. From the data screen, you can also access additional information about each sample: the Rna Iq value, the % large and small RNA, the volume of a sample, and the RFUs for the sample and the standards. Each sample is automatically saved with a unique time-date stamp. Data can be exported via a USB thumb drive directly to a computer using a USB cable or Wi-Fi. After pressing Export, you can select all of the data or specific runs. The data are saved as a single CSV file. There are several additional features on the device that you can access from the home screen. From the home screen, you can access the Reagent Calculator. The Qubit 4 fluorometer Reagent Calculator calculates the amount of dye and buffer required. First, enter the total amount of samples. If you are running standards, enter the number of standards. If you select Includes Overage, the Reagent Calculator will include the amount of dye and buffer required for an additional sample to ensure you have enough solution prepared. The instrument indicates how much dye and buffer are required for the total amount of tubes. Using this tool on screen, you can modify the selections. For more information on the Qubit 4, please view our other how-to videos or visit thermofisher.com/Qubit.